Good morning, I'm Amy Lynn with their highly rated services of plumbing and air conditioning. GP Plumbing and Air Conditioning are a successful local business ready to take care of you here in Southwest Florida. And I am back again with Customer Relations Manager Jeremiah Yetter. Jeremiah, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm talking now with you about purchasing a new air conditioning unit. And I can tell you right off the bat, I would know nothing. So what is the best thing to do?
Ask questions, obviously. Ask a lot of questions. If you want good results out of anything in life, the first thing you should do is ask questions.
Okay, so what kind of questions do I need to ask? Because again, I wouldn't even know where to start.
Well, what you'll find is a lot of times when people are looking for a new air conditioner, they'll call around and they'll ask for price. They'll get the price and they'll say, okay, I'm going to call the next person. But don't you want a good name brand? If so, ask the company. Tell me about your name brand. Don't you want high efficiency? If so, ask them. Tell me about the SEER ratings. Do you want it the right size for your home? Obviously, yeah. Then ask them. Tell me about the tonnage. Make a note of all these important things that you should know beforehand. Don't just make the decision all about price, but keep yourself well informed. Obviously, most importantly, you want to make sure that you have a reputable company. So just come right out and ask them, hey, tell me about your reputation. Tell me about your background. Look them up on Google to make sure they're telling the truth. And go from there, and then get all your answers, and then go to the next company.
It's one of the things that I like about GP Plumbing and Air Conditioning, because I just heard you say, Jeremiah, to me, that you want the customer to ask questions that you would be asking yourself, so you want to hear that from them because you want to answer those questions for them. So when we actually are getting the answers, okay, then what do we do with the answers at that point?
It's actually, I like the way you worded it, because if I was shopping for an air conditioner, I would obviously have an unfair advantage.
Sure.
Because I know all the right questions to ask.
Yeah.
So obviously, I think it'd be great advice. Please give us a call. Obviously, we are experts in our field, but it's not only about being experts at repairing air conditioners and installing air conditioners, but we're also experts at communicating with our customers.
Yeah.
So, ask the questions, get the answers. You should be able to understand the answers. And if you don't understand the answers, then by all means, keep looking until you do. Because again, these can all be explained in ways that I assure you that anybody can understand. And again, if you don't feel good about it, give us a call. I'm confident that I can make every one of those questions be answered.
And I absolutely love that. So how can we get a hold of GP Plumbing and Air Conditioning if we've got these questions?
Obviously, just do a Google search. Type in GP Plumbing and Air Conditioning. Couldn't be easier.
I love it, Jeremiah. Thank you so much again for coming on with us this morning.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
And of course, you can log on to our website and find out more at fox4morningblend.com.